Hey, coach, want to feel better and be better at sales immediately? This is for you. I'm Ronnie Noyes, and I've created a free workbook to go with my new 3 video sales foundation series. Because here's the thing, watching videos is great, taking notes is even better, but actually applying what you learn, that's where the transformation happens. And most people never get there. This workbook is designed to bridge that gap. It's not just a place to write notes. It's a tool that helps you actually implement what you're learning. What are the 3 videos this workbook covers? Video 1, the 3 sales mistakes costing you clients. To help you identify which mistakes you're making and create your first ask for the sales script. Video 2, why selling feels sleazy and how to fix it. To help you reframe your entire relationship with selling and be able to answer the 5 questions your prospects are actually thinking but may not ask aloud. Video 3, old sales versus new sales. So you can understand why traditional sales tactics don't work anymore and what to do instead. Plus, you get a complete quick reference guide with all the key concepts, your sales call checklist, a 30-day implementation plan, as well as pre and post assessments so you can track your actual progress. This isn't busy work. Every exercise is designed to help you have better sales conversations immediately. And it's like having your coach with you as you apply these ideas to your sales conversations. The workbook is completely free, no catches, no upsells, just a practical tool to help you actually use what you're learning. You can download it right now. The link is in the description below. And here's my promise. If you watch these 3 videos and complete the exercises in the workbook, your sales conversations will improve. Not might improve, will improve. Download the Sales Foundations workbook now and let's watch some videos.